Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Amelia, and today me and my dad are going to be busting a little slime myth we saw on YouTube. So all you need, I guess, is apparently toothpaste and lotion. So we're going to be using the Aveeno one and the bubblegum toothpaste on mine. It's funny because this is mine, so we're using one product of mine and one product of my dad's. We both share this lotion. Like whenever I take showers, I borrow it. So let's get started. So, yeah. So we start with lotion. She said as much as you want, really. So I'm gonna only do 3 pumps. There we go. Whoops, I could just put that on my hand. I love this lotion. It's so good. Okay, and then she said, the same amount as toothpaste. Bloop, bloop. Magic. Okay, so she said about the same amount as lotion, actually. I think I should add a little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more, yeah.
So, she also said you need a mixing tool, which is probably the first thing you need. So, I do have some other products just in case. I'm not using any more toothpaste. Hopefully I won't need to. I think this might dye it a light babyish pink. So right now, mixing it up. And then I'm going to add a little bit more lotion. She said if it gets too thick, add a bit more toothpaste. But I'm just going to add a tiny bit more lotion.
I think the toothpaste is going to be what binds it together.
Yeah, I'm just going to add... I think I'm going to add a little bit more toothpaste. It's like a pinkish color. I kind of want to keep it that way.
That's
Plus, we don't even have any food dye. I'm not a huge fan of food dye. I feel like it's just too liquidy and messy. I don't like it. So whenever it comes to things, I just use this one. Because it's pink. Oop. You fully close this. It's easy for me to do it open and open like that. It is.
Let's go in the freezer.
For 35 minutes, but hold up. Here, Dada, you say hi. Do my representations how you think I do it.
All right, you did a good job. Gotta put this together. There you go. We'll stir it in real nice for her. See if this will work. What is that? Don't add things to it that weren't in there.
I'm just gonna add a tiny pump.
Okay.
Little spoon.
That was not in the ingredients.
I know, but this usually helps.
Okay.
See, it's lumping up a bit more.
Now we're getting carried away. I mean, they just put that stuff on the end of that thing. That's good.
Hold up. I know. I thought you were like that. That should be enough mixing, but I'm gonna add a lotion was in it.
But it doesn't, I don't think lotion's the activating part. Honey, can you not put the thing in there?
So would this help?
Okay.
Just asking. Do you think that should help? What if we have a dot of water?
No, what? These things are not going to help, honey.
Are you not but we are just busting it. I want it to work. I feel like it gives you like more. It is kind of dot.
No, we're not adding any more. Just put it in the freezer and see how it goes.
Well, I'm gonna just give them a quick little looks at, okay? So it looks like that. It's gonna mix it up a tiny bit more. Oop. I feel like the freezer does help it though, because it makes it like stick together a
I
bit.
think so. I think you're just gonna have to shove it in there and see.
I'm also gonna make. Can you help me like bring it all together? Like not just like all on the like spoon, but like in there.
I gotcha.
And then I'm gonna spread it out a bit in there.
There you go.
So you guys, we're just busting this one.
We're just busting.
It's a myth bust. Okay, so you guys, that's what it looks like. I just moved it a bit. Maybe we'll bust one more. Who knows? I want to, but I don't care. I honestly love making videos. And here, do you know, where's your phone? Because we need a timer for 35 minutes.
We'll put a timer on.
On the, yeah.
And we're back.
And yeah, so yeah, 35 minutes. Oh my God. Done. I like bakers like you. Boop, 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 boop. Hopefully this works.
I don't put this up in.
Okay. I will be. Okay, there is 33 minutes and 40 seconds. What?
It's only been running for like 35 minutes.
If I don't use it running, I'm gonna have to make a part 2.
That's how you make it go faster, like they did.
That's because I used the editor. They use CapCut. CapCut's bigger now.
That's gonna kill your little tablet doing that.
It's on the charger. And you know what I tell you. Boop, boop. Guys, I'm gonna go grab my puppy. Look, it's one of the little live pets. So if you guys haven't already, go check out at Little Life Pets Love. You will see something that says Little Life Pets, and it will be a yellow background. And then you'll see a couple of videos on there. This is Ella. It says it on her collar. This is her hairbrush. These are things we usually keep in there. Hairbrush and a bottle, and then you can take this part off. And the blue part's her bed. She can also still just sleep with that part on. So she's so cute. I'm gonna brush her here. She's up. gonna brush her ears. Guys, look at that. Who's shedding you, puppy? Kind of hate your cage. 31 minutes. Yum, yum. She has a head sensor and a back sensor. Never. Oh, I think that's enough for you. I'm gonna have some water. I love you. Oh, this is the only thing I see whenever she's in her cage. Or I see this, which is her. I feel like she can't see. So this is how you take it off, basically. Boop, boop. So now she's just got her bed part on right now. I'm gonna brush the back of her fur. Tomorrow we have a tornado drill at school. I need to clean this hairbrush. Girl is shut it. What? That's a fur ball. It's a fur ball. Good thing I have this brush. I'm this extra brushing for a bit extra. So much hair. Oh, baby. Oh no, we don't want any of that old hair here. You guys, oh my god, look at this. This is a little fur from her hairbrush. Like, look at that hairbrush. I think someone fell asleep like this. No, guys, like here. I guess I can. Guys, there's 27 minutes left. Oh, no. She's awake. Yeah. Look. Fun. Her eyes are blue, and my eyes are brown. What are you munching? Hey! She's munching on this piece right here to my iPad case. No. If you also just leave her somewhere, she falls asleep. She's on. She's not barking. I'm gonna go get her a little shirt. She can just chill in her bed. I'll be back. Okay, I got one from my doll nursery, and this one she wears a lot. It says, "Keep Cottleville cool." So I'm gonna put that on you. There we go. Baby, we're gonna put you a shirt. Should I put it on like this so people can see it? I think so. This can go on 2 ways. Oh gosh. Okay. Now, can I put this? Hey. No. That's not nice. No growl. No bark. I like no barkies. No barkies. No growl bark. No mad bark. Hey. There you go. Keep Cottleville cool. I know all her moves. Or I think I should put it on her stomach. Girl, stop growling. Okay, we're gonna start like this there. Whenever I do this to my real dog, she usually doesn't care. But this little girl, you can hear her growling. Keep Cottleville cool. Keep Cottleville cool. Hey, no. They said no barking. Do you wanna go? Do you want me to go get a toy? Okay. I should bring a toy. I will be right back. I'm gonna go get a dog bone. What? Fire? Is the fire in LA? Then I know it's fire because one of my friends made Tristan had fire in their house, but they didn't get hit. It was from someone's grill. doesn't really use it. Ugh, she's farting. You little farty monster.
Hard to believe, but a gigantic steel tank was used for a food processor and was stolen from North St. Louis business. And it's not the first time that it's happened. Fox's Valerie Thomas showing us the theft that was caught on camera, and she told the business owner who says
That's the first time I've ever heard her bark like that. And that. I take it back. Hey, tune on it. Yeah, tune on it. Well, now she's looking at it. Yeah.
He says Tuesday's early morning robbery is costing him tens of thousands of dollars. Over here, we have a tank. You can see, I mean, you see the third grade.
No, okay. No one. It's the change.
You can see the exact moment that happened.
This is what my dad used to do to brush my hair.
Off the lot.
And now he does this. I used to brush my hair when my dad did it.
Expensive tanks are used for food processing. His surveillance cameras captured this red pickup truck take off with another
I don't know.
in January. Police say that investigation is ongoing.
Dad, 20 minutes, there's 19 minutes left. I just said that because it's 19 minutes right now. 19 minutes and 57 seconds. So let's go check up on the slime really quickly. Dad, I'm going to go check up on the slime. It smells like ramen, but I know Dad cooking macaroni and cheese. So right here, it looks, or no, not here.
And it's the first time he's done so since his return to the White House. What we can expect
Okay guys, here it is. We're maybe gonna bust two. Who?
Don't miss Orange Days, Ashley's biggest sale of the year. Just mattress doorbusters starting at just $199. Only low monthly payments.
Smells like ramen, but it smells like ramen. Dad, do it. What you want? Yeah, guys. Go check out Little Life Pet Club. Wait. Dad, watch this. Watch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, wait. So I'm gonna redo that, guys. Whoo, I catch, yeah. 17. Dad, there's 17 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, guys, ready? Dad, we might be busting a myth or two, right? A myth or two. What? One more. Please.
Well, everything else
Just one more.
Yeah,
we do. Yeah, we do. Can I try out the weird made slime recipe I did? I made? Can I try a random slime recipe I made? The one I made? That I told you about earlier? Can we test that one? Not even the one I made?
Like a State of the Union speech, but typically not called that when the president is just a few weeks into a big term. Our DC girls will help mark
Yeah, that one.
expectations about tonight's speech, both high and low.
One single. I'll make another
Well,
one.
and tonight is anything like the
One
president is
cup.
No, we don't have any
expects
meetings.
some surprise guests and even
I said to
potentially
make a
policy announcements. Tonight offering the president a chance to sell the American people on his domestic and foreign policy agenda that has sparked endless headlines in recent weeks. After roughly 43 days in office, tonight, President Donald Trump takes center stage, delivering an address to a joint session of Congress, the first of his second term.
That's what we have the ingredients for.
Republican House
No, you are doing one.
speech will highlight what already done. President Trump signed a record 76 executive orders, ramping up deportations, banning DEI,
Time's almost up.
rolling back
15 minutes and 20
and with the help of Elon
seconds.
Musk,
So much check up on it.
across the federal government.
In Texas, we have this thing called spring clean, undue wasteland diesel.
White House voters are, Tom Homan says President Trump will call on Republicans to do their part in the upcoming budget.
I don't know how it's turned out. Ella fell asleep. So I'll just do this.
Programs like Social Security and Medicaid.
While distributing more taxpayer dollars to themselves and their billionaire friends.
That was like this. Something like that.
The president says he will also speak about the future of Ukraine following the spat with
Sorry,
president last week. The administration froze aid to U.S. allies last night. Democrats asked elected Michigan's newest senator, Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren.
Now, Congressman Bob Onder of St. Charles County says he expects President Trump to talk a lot about immigration tonight. He says the president has dramatically improved the safety of our ports.
Hello.
Onder himself has now introduced legislation to go along with that.
Today, I'm filing the Timely Departure Act. Historically, 42%
Wait, it works. The cheek trick. No, guys, it works. See?
in my district, we had one illegal alien sexually assault two women. Once while he was driving an Uber, another time while he was driving a Lyft. He was a visa overstayer. He had
It works for
overstayed
a couple seconds.
His reporting 37-year-old Ahmad Rayaki, Jordanian man who overstayed his visa and is now charged with sexually abusing two of his Uber passengers in St. Charles County.
What is next?
Really?
In today's political minute, news station chief Washington correspondent and host of the
Bullet shucking my grass. Or no. Pokey sugar.
On Monday, President Trump's pick for education secretary, Linda McMahon, was confirmed in the Senate by a party line vote, 51 to 45. McMahon is known for co-founding
Well,
WWE. She also
54
was the
seconds.
first Trump administration where she was the head of the Small Business Administration.
Wow.
Overseas student loans. But McMahon backed the president's plan to get rid of the agency. The goal is to eventually put herself out of a job.
Really all for the president's mission, which is to return education to the states. I believe as he does.
I'm Blake Berman, and this is the News Nation Political Minute.
And to find more news and analysis on News Nation. To find News Nation on your screen, just go to joinnn.com.
Still to come tonight on Fox News at 7.
Laptop. Can I put it in? Oh,
The only
please.
reason is it's just, I don't want you to burn yourself on this pot. It's super hot. You can stir it. Is that okay?
Working to improve this space so that the
Be careful not to touch the pot.
funds for years. Now today, a teacher getting a surprise of his own. Wait till you see it.
Still in the middle of our storm system, the latest round of rain, lightning, and thunder is still
11 minutes, 42 seconds.
Snowflakes too. Details
transmission replacement.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mith. Are you suffering from neuropathy? Are you experiencing stabbing pain, numbness, tingling, or burning sensation in your feet and hands? Are you longing to get the relief you desperately need? My patients are experiencing significant results and getting their life back. Call 314-8608 today.
Spoon.
Is it time to update that new after shower? Call Jacob today and get a beautiful new after shower and get $900 off. Plus pay no payments for 24 months. Jacob, where quality counts since 1977.
Upset stomach? Gas. Indigestion?
I'll be right back.
Gas. Thanks to the unique combination of herbs, Gas helps relieve 6 digestive symptoms to help you feel better. 6 digestive symptoms, the power of nature. Gas.
My phone, they asked me some questions on the phone, which maybe took 5 minutes.
I was in a wheelchair, so a lot of it was done online. It was not in legal mumbo jumbo to where I could not understand it.
It was the easiest thing in the world.
Oh, food's ready.
A little hot.
Oh.
Or Anderson?
Well,
Today, see how much you can save on new Marvin windows. Compare Capella and Anderson. You'll be glad you did. Jacob, where quality counts since 1977.
This is Fat Tuesday, and pardon my
oh, please.
tomorrow is Ash Wednesday, and the beginning of fish fry season in St. Louis. We have seen that for you on our website, foxtuna.com. We don't plan your visits to the various fish fries.
Fish fry.
Organizations can also register
Fish
at
fry.
fish fry.
Guys, look. Fish fry.
Hopefully better.
Oh, you guys missed it.
Fish fry.
It was that fish fry. Miss Thing is sleeping. She just kind of moved. Push her leg in. There you go. It sounded like I moved her and my arm was moving, but I did not move her. I was just fixing her stopping. 8 minutes and 19 seconds. 15, 14.
Springfield and Columbia. This again looks to be heading in our
7, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 56. Forty, 39, 38, 37, 5, 34, 33, 32, 31, 29, Okay guys, I'm getting my fingers. Ready? 1, 10 fingers. 10. Ew. 10.
But with these wet snowflakes flying around and the gusty winds, we will definitely see a wintry scene in Metro St. Louis. Those winds tomorrow out of the north and west could at times
Okay, now 6 minutes.
miles an hour to the wind gusts and a wind advisory in place for our day for tomorrow. Eventually there is a clearing line that will quickly move in. The clearing line will be here Thursday, bringing us some calmer weather. By the way, traveling tomorrow, heading to Lambert, maybe got a flight. It's going to be a difficult day of flying out of Lambert and really through this entire storm system. There may be some delays, and if you take off from land, it could be, I'm saying, bumpy. So, a great flying day for tomorrow. 53
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go need some water. 35 minutes.
63 are high, about 50 when it was raining, and we had a third of an inch of rain in the metro area with that first wave of precip. Generally low 50s, couple of spots now upper 40s as the temperatures are still warming. Again, we're in the center of the storm, so rain is wrapping around
Done.
this area of low pressure. These are severe storms, by the way, heading through New Orleans right now with really massive.
I just got a wet sock.
And Sunday, the potential for tornadoes.
Lightly wet, but still not okay.
Blizzard conditions setting up in Nebraska and into Iowa. That spinning low is the key to the outlook as it lifts away from the Washington area, bringing in the gusty wind.
There we go. 5 so for my bed. Let's have my shirt. Fix that. I think you can hear my dog nibbling on
The chilly air.
no, that was
These
just
high
my
temperatures
okay.
are morning high
Okay.
temperatures dropping through the day. So the chill
Okay. Getting
tonight, couple thunder showers still possible. We'll watch that western wave of energy. We'll drop down to 42 by early in the morning and then keep heading downhill. So 42.
4 minutes and 57 seconds.
Showers changing over to some west now, and the winds will be extreme. That may be the bigger story aside from snowflakes. That wind, again, is going to be close to 50 miles an hour at times. 50 the high on Thursday, some dry time, and then we'll watch for a few small showers late Friday into Saturday. Weekend shows improvements. Next week actually is much better. Some 60s and some 70s coming out.
Ooh, 60s and 70s next week, Dad.
That sounds great.
Amazing. That's like hot.
It's like super nice.
Summer and spring vibes. One of the two.
Totally summer vibes.
I'm gonna go grab a straw. 4 minutes and 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now it is 3 minutes and 57 seconds.
And after years downtown, taste of St. Louis. Don't move. We'll tell you what. Yeah, look at the show. I'm using relocating to downtown.
Guys, watch this. Now I can drink my water.
Have a valued person enjoy a local case. Wait no longer. Call Blue Fox Funding today to provide the case details and we'll work on an offer that works for you and get funded today. Call Blue Fox Funding today on your mobile device. ***1 2 3 4.
Upset stomach? Ibirogast. Indigestion? Ibirogast. Bloating? Ibirogast. Thanks to a unique combination of herbs, Ibirogast helps relieve 6 digestive symptoms to help you feel better. 6 digestive symptoms, the power of nature. Ibirogast.
And here it's been 39 minutes. And dang, it's 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So be done soon. Slipping. Sweet, quite nice dreams. I actually think it's comfortable with my pillow to do this. I don't know why. It just is. It's hot. For 1 minute and 43 seconds, Dad. Now it's 1 minute and 33 seconds. our microwave, whenever it starts, it moves.
Yeah.
And it says food ready, but there's nothing in there. It's funny. Like, no food in there. I'm gonna make it bright. You guys watch this. ASMR. Extra bright version. Guys, don't make me bring it up. Bright. So my slide's gonna be ready in 34 seconds. Let's quickly do this.
And of course, St. Louis Alderwoman Kara Spencer. We're at Alderwoman Spencer's watch party here tonight, supporting hoping for a different outcome than what happened 4 years ago. We can give you a live look tonight as well as the watch party taking place for St. Louis Mayor Tashara Jones. Her supporters will be gathering tonight in Midtown. They expect
Okay, guys.
from this primary municipal election.
7,
Their supporters
6,
start
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Ready to try it out?
7:30.
How's it looking?
Interesting.
Oh yeah. No, that's a bust.
That is definitely a bust.
Oh, that stinks.
Ew.
Not even close. Oops, I moved.
My finger's numb now. No, serious, you guys, look at it. It's like a slushy. Look at that, it's disgusting. Dad, touch it.
Yeah, just like ice. Ew.
Yeah, I hate that. I'm throwing this away. I'm gonna put hot water in this. I'm gonna put it on Mr. Valley.
We're watching them as well. Reporting live from downtown, Jeff Lee, Fox Studios. Thank you, Jeff. Another live look at another huge.
Yeah, guys, so that was definitely a bust, Dad.
President Trump and
Dad,
First Lady.
tell them that was definitely a bust.
Definitely a bust.
And tell them that I'm cleaning this stuff up right now.
On social media that his speech is going to be.
Okay, Dad, can you tell them that?
It was a bust. She's knocking it out.
Tell them that I'm cleaning up.
And she's cleaning up right now.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this bust, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.